Damn, tell me somebody about the wrong phone. Oh!
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Cammy.
And your boy, King.
And we back with another YouTube video. So today, guys, we're going to be doing a reaction to 10 most disturbing things caught on doorbell camera footage. Like real live footage. So it's going to be interesting. I'm excited. We hope you guys are having a great day, great year.
Happy New Year to everybody out there.
And we hope y'all staying true to all y'all resolutions. And yeah, just making the best of hard situations. All right, you guys, let's get started.
Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, we trying to get our page popping up.
Definitely.
All right, y'all, let's get started.
Dang, I'm with it.
The first one was submitted by viewer
that's
Trent
painful.
Jones. And when this was recorded, he and his
$5
family had recently moved into his grandparents' house. The house is in the middle of nowhere, so the family naturally had their guard down.
However,
One night at 1 in the morning, while most of the family was asleep, Trent got a notification for a ring that there was motion at the front door. Notification for movement wasn't a concern as the family has outdoor cats.
I know these
that are
might be
active at
creepy
night.
when they be talking like
There was
that.
definitely reason for concern when it said somebody is at your front door. One of the family
Yeah,
members
that's when
grabbed the
you
gun
gotta-
and went to open the front door. And
Yeah,
that's
you
when he
gotta
started
get up
to
and
raise
check
his
the front
hand
door.
and started asking for help.
Hang us a dude out there too. You know this man. Man, look, he right there looking out the window. He's like, and he got his hands up. What you want, man?
Help. Can I use a phone to call down?
Yeah, right. Can't use my
Man,
phone.
you better get the hell off my porch
Come on now.
right now. Matter of fact,
Be
put
smart.
your hands down, man. Get the hell off my porch.
He asked to use a phone, to which the family gave him a cell phone.
No.
Then he tried calling someone,
Really?
but to no avail.
Damn,
No.
they are fucking, they are nice. Holy cow.
He asked them not to call the cops.
What?
Yeah, that's a dead giveaway right there. I would have called the police because if somebody's coming to your house asking to use your phone,
Two of the family members
Right.
decided to hop in their truck
I can't believe they
and
let
find out
him
where
use
he
a
was going.
phone.
They found him
Damn.
walking down the road and looking like he was going to another house down the road, the nearest one being half a mile away.
Well, hold on, they
The two
told
family
him?
members decided they didn't want him near their house or any neighboring houses, so they offered he get in the bed of the truck and they
What?
left this town.
Damn, so that's how these people
They
be
arrived
skipping
in town and
town.
dropped him off. The whole time he had his hands
Yeah,
up,
bud,
kept
get
looking
back
at
in
the
the
two
truck.
family members while he backed away from the truck. It could have been assumed that the man was genuinely looking for help and needed to call someone, if it weren't for the fact that other family members reported that the week prior, he was in another neighborhood around the area, allegedly asking for help again, in late hours of the night, going from door to door in dimly lit areas. It's quite possible that he may have been trying to maliciously gain entry into the homes of sympathetic or unsuspecting
Yeah.
people.
No.
It's unknown if that's the case or if he was ever successful.
this guy was like freaking
Shit.
bum. Like
I
what?
ain't gonna lie to
Go to
you.
therapy.
That's crazy. He was really like bumming it, trying to
I
go.
would have been mad if
This-
somebody knocked
that-
at my door.
That guy's the type of guy
You.
that would be breaking into people's houses, taking showers, eating your sandwiches. He looked like a
Damn.
weird dude, like you know, like a
You all
a squatter.
and stuff and shit.
Yeah, that's what I think that he is. He was definitely a squatter or something. Or hell, he could have been a serial
Of course.
killer.
And there aren't as many details on this one, other than it happened in a small
This one's
suburb
kinda
late on a
crazy,
rainy
yeah.
night. This was way past solicitation or visiting hours. The homeowner wasn't home
Oh,
at the time
wow.
and saw the notification the next
What is
day,
she doing?
which is when they saw this video footage. From the darkness appears a middle-aged woman
Is
with
she
some
yelling?
with her mouth gaping wide open.
Oh,
20
Is
seconds
she
later,
yelling or is she
that's
just standing there
scary.
with
It
her
reminds
mouth
me of The
wide
Ring or something.
aside from closing it for a couple seconds, showing that her mouth didn't appear to be stuck in this hanging open
open?
position.
Wow, is she crying?
No, you don't cry like that.
No, I'm just saying, look at her.
She's yelling or possessed. Oh my god.
Oh man, I'm crying too.
Yeah, she got an umbrella. She's dressed up. She's warm, but why is
Press the
she?
doorbell or
doing
another button
this?
one more time before walking away and
That's
disappearing into the darkness seconds
scary.
She
later.
needs to go down
The
to
homeowner says he did recognize
Oh
her.
my
Some
God.
people believe it was some kind of condition the woman was suffering.
Yeah, I think so. It looks like she's in pain in her eyes.
This wouldn't
Huh?
explain why she
Don't
was
it though?
ringing a stranger's doorbell in the late hours.
Yeah,
Perhaps another encounter that a homeowner was lucky to avoid.
yeah.
That reminds me of those scary, some scary movies.
Yeah,
Man,
that reminds me of The Ring or
House
something.
after
Really
just getting
scary.
home. The woman lives in a suburban town in Illinois.
Yeah, don't tell me somebody about the wrong one. Oh, oh,
Oh my God.
damn.
Oh my
I mean,
God.
man, they was waiting too. They was waiting on somebody. It was like, well, we were target right there.
Yeah.
The woman in the video was unaware of the fact that she was being watched from a
Yeah,
distance,
yeah, she was being watched.
hiding in the dark, waiting
From
for
a
her to open her front door.
distance.
As she steps
With
into her
guns.
house, the two aggressors take their chance to enter the house while the door is still
That's why you
open.
always gotta have some
The woman
protection. But
screams
damn,
as she
at the same
startled by
time,
the
you don't want to
unwelcome
shoot her out
visitor
with
behind
two
her. The first of the two teens to enter the house says, "Don't move and don't scream." The rest of what is said between he and the woman is inaudible. However, according to the woman in the video, he demanded her car keys. After handing him her keys, which can be seen in one of the teenager's hands,
Everybody
Wow.
to take off
They probably
towards
about to go
her
hit the
car,
leg.
she did not
Now,
see him. There was someone else in the house with the woman who was also held at gunpoint alongside her,
Yeah,
who
that was
also
it.
remains nameless. The woman wasn't harmed, thankfully, and one of the two teenage aggressors were found and arrested. 18-year-old Brendan McCoy.
Wow.
Yeah,
Young and dumb.
He's like, you already
This
turned
video
up.
is a
Huh?
prime example. of
Young
why you
and
should
dumb.
always be aware of your surroundings before
Yeah.
opening the front door.
Definitely.
Little hoodlums. Stealing the lady car like she just got off work. That's a damn
This
shame.
disturbing footage
This
is
age
one
was
of the couple's
16?
Ring
16
doorbell
and
cameras
18.
surfaced on the web.
Really young.
In the
Young and
footage,
dumb.
a tattooed man with a long gray beard holding a plastic bag, apparently
I know,
talking
see,
to
like
himself,
this right here.
approached the front door.
Oh, y'all would have some weight for his
And
ass.
in the video, apparently spotted the unnamed wife inside of the house through the kitchen
He
window.
spotted her
approached
through the
front
white
door.
through the
And
window.
this guy, like, he's
Started
really up to
saying,
no
"Are
good.
you
Like, he
sure?
can strangle somebody
Positive?
out or
I
something.
just have a few questions for
Better
you.
get the hell off my goddamn porch.
Are you sure?
He said he has a question for her.
I just rang the doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
No.
What, you trying to serve somebody?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Where you from? Who sent you?
Because I have a couple questions.
Who
Oh,
sent
wow,
you?
now you gonna try to take off?
Who sent you?
What? Are you sure?
He looks like
I
a
just rang the
he looks like
doorbell.
what's a good name for him?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Are you positive? Are you sure?
He looks like a
I
ruckus.
just have a couple questions for you.
I would have shot through the door.
Yeah, bro.
I just have a couple.
I have a couple questions for you, bro. Like, you need to get your crusty butt off of here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Answers.
Off my porch.
Oh, look, and he tried to open the
Off
door.
my porch.
He simply
Damn, and he tried to open the door.
The man was standing there.
Look.
Repeating the same three things
He seems
over
like he could
and
really
over.
kill someone, huh?
Her husband
He-
was
he
not
looks
at the home at the
Well,
time.
crazy.
He accessed the intercom system
You
and asked
remind me
where
a
the
little
man
bit.
was as he responded to the man. She simply hid in her home and called 911.
Oh,
The man was
hell
standing
no.
there, knocking on the glass,
Mhm.
repeating the same three things over and over to nobody. Her husband, who was not at the home at the time, accessed the intercom system and asked the man who he was as he was walking away. This caused him to come back, look into the camera, and start saying some pretty nasty, disturbing things.
Oh.
He got mad. The husband was able to talk to him through the intercom, probably driving home. Like,
What?
What the
Yeah?
fuck? He overreacting all that shit.
Who are you?
I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about the 84.
this dude just got out of jail.
Now you can tell. He got a
Can you
bag
hear
in
me?
his hand. Look at him.
What I'm looking for is the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm wondering. You have her open the door. The girl that's on the other side of this door. She lets me in.
Oh, wow.
I have a knife and a gun.
Damn.
And I just.
This ain't that slave, whatever.
He said he has a knife and a gun.
I would've shot
Look,
the
hold
door.
on. Let me see, make sure this
Right, I know
is.
after that one, they got some protection.
Let me make sure. Let me
I
see.
know his wife ain't said that.
What did he say?
Buy
Can you
yourself
hear
down.
me?
Can you hear me?
What I'm looking for is the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm worried.
Yeah.
You have to open the door. The girl that's on the other side of this door.
Gonna rape and kill.
I didn't hear that.
I have a knife.
I would have been
I'm
hunting.
looking
I didn't hear that part. I'm trying to hear it.
What I'm looking for is the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm worried.
Yeah.
What? I did not hear that part before.
The girl that's on the other side of this door, she lets me in. I have to wait for her to have a knife and a gun. And I'm gonna knock on the door.
Well, you about to say I just got out.
He was saying he wished to rape and kill her and asked if she could open the door multiple times. After
Wow.
one more unsuccessful knock, the man walked away.
Yeah,
telling
he found his
himself in
ass.
different voices as he did.
I've been looking out for a big bearded motherfucker.
Police found and arrested the man the next day after another report of a suspicious man in the area. And he was identified as 40-year-old.
Yeah, he's probably got it, Pat. That is something suicidal.
You actually
Oh my god.
All right, you guys.
Fugitive from
That's it. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a
No,
good
it's one
evening.
more left.
footage was captured in Brisbane.
No more left.
Hey, look at this guy. Holy shit.
Ah, this made me cry. Ooh, ooh. Why did he do that? He really is gone. He needs help. That is insane. Wow. This must be the craziest man I ever laid eyes on.
Character.
I'm sorry, but this looks like somebody out of South Park. Like, you know,
Oh,
I'm
it looks like
sorry.
you from GTA.
Okay, this is the last
This
one.
footage was captured in Brisbane.
Oh.
It shows a man approach and knock on
Yeah,
Kathy.
you guys be careful watching this video.
That in of itself isn't so disturbing, but it's the fact that it was very late on a Sunday night, and the image she saw on her phone was of a masked person on the other side of the door.
Put that music on. Out of I caught your ass. And you smell
Who
right
is
in the camera.
this?
He look like a little Chinese dude or something. He got some nunchucks, ninjas,
This
some
is
rope.
crazy, man.
A lot of what's going on. There's some crazy stuff. People got some hits out on them.
Look.
That's what I'm saying.
He doesn't want his fingerprints on there.
I know you probably got some other shit.
He looks like he might really be smart and crazy. The other dude was stupid.
You told him everything. I'm gonna rape and kill like out a knife and a gun. Damn, what the
It still hasn't gone away from
This
him.
is crazy. This guy's got some smarts. At least he was able to use a little, you know.
Afterwards, the camera catches them pulling their sleeve over their hand, then wiping away their fingerprints for the doorknob they tried to open when they first walked up to the house.
He looks
The
weird.
fact that they wiped away their fingerprints already says that they were up to no good.
Yeah.
If everything else about this didn't already scream that. Kathleen stated that he had something heavy in his sweatshirt pocket, which she doesn't know what it was. Who saw the person leaving said he had a bag that he was carrying with him.
Some with some weight.
What was there?
Goddamn.
By the time Kathleen made it downstairs, the person was already in a car parked across the street, which they sped off in. Footage like
That's
this
what I'm
is
saying,
really the
people must
scariest
be,
because nobody knows how these encounters would have gone down if the doors were open.
Gotta be careful who you dealing with.
It's a lot of crazy psychopaths out there, you guys. So make sure you guys are.
Y'all gotta be careful
Make
out
sure
there,
y'all
man.
take care of yourself.
And make sure y'all
look
check
around.
y'all doorbell cameras.
Yeah,
all the time,
because it's some crazy people. Like, that's so weird, you guys. Like, that was weird. I don't know what.
Yeah, that was crazy, man.
Yeah, well, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Make sure y'all get y'all protection. Stay safe.
Yeah, you
Call
guys.
your wife time to time.
We'll see y'all in the next video, you guys. Have a
Alright,
good
y'all.
one. Bye.
Peace.
You're gonna